My name is Nooruddin. I started Hexule. Originally from Pakistan. I have a background in cane manufacturing. Due to my father, I studied electrical engineering here, then in transition to data science. So here's what we're doing. How many of you can tell me the color of this table? Just think of it in your head. 5 seconds. Think of the color in your mind. Use as many English words in your head that you can, and keep that. So can I have 2 people tell me the color of this table? You. Yellow? Okay. You. Okay, great. But when it comes to color references, this yellow doesn't cut it because it's not precise enough. For example, if you Google the yellow table on Google, this doesn't give you the table that this looks like. And that's essentially what we see in cosmetics as well. For example, women or any cosmetic user tend to use English words to describe the color of their skin or to describe the color of the product that they need. And this is what we see. More than half of the cosmetic users struggle with color matching, shade matching. And the problem with cosmetics is that if you end up buying the wrong product, you end up losing all of its value. You cannot return it, you cannot exchange it. A lot of the women I know, they buy multiple foundations, mix them up to try and get the one foundation. And if you're wondering why does a bearded guy like me is working on cosmetics, it's because of my sister. But yeah, so that's the problem that we see, right? The bigger problem is that there's no consumer-driven color referencing system. And on the industry side, there are referencing systems like Pantone, NCS, RAL, but not accessible to any consumer here at all, not even to me. And what we do as a solution by making the referencing system is by collaborating with industry as a B2B2C model. So as a consumer, you would go to a partner store like the Buy & Carve, Douglas, or anything like that, get your skin tone measured by our spectrophotometers and our optical devices. That skin data would sync to Hexule app or web that we provide to consumers for free. And then from then on, any cosmetic consumer can always find the right beauty product for their skin. And as you can see, that's just for cosmetics. We're scalable to fashion, to interior design and architecture, and to altogether all across. So you, as a consumer, can always find the color that you want, wherever it may be. And this is what our product thing looks like. So we have spectrophotometers, spectrophotometers. One of the guys here gave us a feedback that that looks like a gun. So we can't be putting that up on the skin. So we'll take that feedback into account. We'll make it more consumer friendly. What we provide to consumers is the free of cost Hexule app, Hexule web, and then from then on, that lets you see what products you might need. And that, for example, if you're ever looking for a colored product, like a yellow table like this, you will use a reference, Google it up with Hexule code, and always find this color specifically. But if you try to Google yellow right now, you won't get what you need specifically. And to go back, we're working with a lot of color scientists at the moment. We're working with tech executives who are helping us build the product as well. What we need specifically from you guys is to help us sort of understand how to start off this deep tech venture. And also, please connect this to cosmetic companies and any paint companies that you might know of. We have a couple of industry partners that we're already working with, but more industry validation is definitely helpful, and more partners are definitely helpful. Help us launch Hexule. Also, if you go on the website, I should have added a QR code. You can also join the waitlist. And that's it. Perfect.